All righty.
Like Dad said, you ain't gonna be testing at the end of the day. You just have a good time.
Okay, now I had this little camera, and it's so interesting because it doesn't have one of those things where you can do wide or whatnot, so you have to move it back like, look, you gotta do it like this. We taking a look this morning at the Beulah Boys who in the house. And we gonna do what we do. Good morning, gentlemen. What's up?
We got Fireman Nick sitting over there.
Who's that Fireman Nick over there? And Nick, are you fired up? Look, wait, Nick. All right.
Next to him, we got DJ Leon.
DJ Leon, that is so true. The man with the music.
And over here, Slow Roll.
Oh, what's up, Slow Roll? How you doing?
Ain't no hurry.
Uh-oh.